choose your time. You can come once a month, you can come once in 2 months, or anything like that which suits your convenience. Secondly, you can definitely connect with us on Facebook. We have a Facebook group by the name Making a Difference, which has close to 13,000 members. So you can just join the group and stay connected. Now, why is it, friends, that we always come to you, say, before a vacation is about to come, like before your winter vacation is about to come? Because it will now be the time when you will be relatively free. And you must think about how you can utilize it productively. I don't know, because I have come to Summer Valley School many times in the past, thanks to the immense support the school management offers us. I am sure many of you are aware of the marathon, which we do every year, the annual mini marathon. We have done it twice in Summer Valley School only. So, look at us. This is a students group which has been organizing such events time and again. And what are these events? I'm not going into the specifics of what MAT does, because that is something which you guys are still aware about. But if I were to give you only a couple of examples, cleanup drives and awareness programs, where we go to the garbage areas, clean it up ourselves. And now, friends, we have done an innovation on it, and here is it that we want your role. We have started painting wall murals, and that has happened by our own pocket money contributions. So we have painted 5 wall murals. Wall murals are wall paintings. For example, there is a piece of wall, or there is a patch of wall which is very dirty, where people are urinating openly, where people are throwing garbage. So we will first wash it, then we will whitewash it, then we will cement the uneven portions of the wall, and then we will paint a beautiful picture on it. For example, one of our messages has been, "पढ़े लिखे लगते हो, कूड़े में हाथ क्यों डालते हो?" So this is one. Then another message has been that मंगल पर पहुंच गए हम, ये कूड़ा कब होगा कम. I hope you are getting the theme, that on the one hand we are progressing so much scientifically, and on the other we can do such activities also. So many of you would have seen a wall mural which one of our friendly groups has posted, has made on Darshan Lal Chowk. Right, now we are not hired, we do not have hired painters with us. It is a pocket money funded group, but nonetheless young painters from classes 10 to 12 are coming and helping us with these activities, and in turn they are being reported in the newspapers. So there is an incentive, and you will get to learn a lot. Secondly, friends, this is winter time, and if I am giving in a presentation, this is the first presentation we are starting with, it will be very wrong if I don't talk about a specific episode which I have talked about, I think, in the previous presentations also, and which is about the slums in Dehradun city, where we go to these slums and we were distributing food, as in we organize these food distribution activities in which we ask our mothers to prepare garma garam aloo ke parathe, and then we take them to the slum areas and give it to them. तो एक ऐसी ड्राइव में जब हम खाना बांट रहे थे, तो एक बहुत छोटी लड़की वो सामने आई. आई वॉज वेयरिंग अ रेड जैकेट. शी पुल्ड दैट रेड जैकेट एंड सेड, भैया रात को सोते समय ठंड लगती है. यू ऑल आर इन योर ब्लेजर्स. थैंक योर फादर्स, थैंक योर मदर्स, एंड थैंक योर स्टार्स दैट यू वर born in fortunate families. I also thank my stars that I was born in a fortunate family. But think about those people who are right now living in slums, who were not as fortunate as you. You have got the benefit of education and good schooling, so why are we wasting it in being very ordinary? I know I will speak in this presentation, and then I might ask you how many of you will come for a big activity which I am going to talk about, and maybe you guys will be inspired by the words and you will raise your hands. But then at the end of the day, when the activity will be there, your hands will not coordinate with your legs, and you will be stuck up in your beds. So your hands will be up, but you will not be leaving your bed. So friends, what I actually request you to do is, you are in school, you are right now in a position when you will be free as still life with the studies. With college, you'll have your career to think about. When you'll be working, you'll have your work to think about. After that, you will have children. Then your children will have their children. So life will end, and you will never find the time to do something different. So with this, I would just like to tell you that we've done this wall painting campaign. This is going on in the winter vacation. And then we are doing, I'm sure some of you have come for the Chalo Tapkeshwar drive also, when we had gone to Tapkeshwar and had cleaned up that temple. So friends, our activities in Tapkeshwar have finally started striking a chord with the government. I must tell you that apart from volunteer activities, MAD has also sprung to the policy level. Imagine students of our age are now advising the government on crucial policy issues. If I can tell you one small experience, that NIH Roorkee scientists were doing research on reviving Bindal and Rispina rivers. And after that they came to my house. I was coming from my college in Jodhpur. So I had just reached Dehradun, I was at the railway station, and I was also coming home. So we entered home together, and the scientist and myself, and we went to the drawing room, and my mother was bringing coffee. And the first thing the scientist tells me is 1 crore lagenge to put the equipment and everything. And like all your mothers, my mother is also very suspicious of me all the time. So she's like, 1 crore किस लिए लगेंगे? आप कौन है भाई साहब? आप यहाँ से जाइए. Then I said, Mummy, what are you saying? He's an NIH Roorkee scientist. So this is not how it works. So friends, look at this. Students of your age are helping the government in reviving of streams, are helping the government in making policies which involve crores of rupees. So we are at the policy level as also on the ground level, and what I want from you is support. So every Sunday we are going to have some activity or the other, and there is one major activity at the end which I want to talk about, which is the campaign at Tapkeshwar. As you are aware, many of you have come before for the Tapkeshwar cleanup drives. We are doing a march from Mahinder ground, again just like we had done in May, from Mahinder ground in cantonment area. You can all connect with your class monitors. I will give you a contact number, possibly to the school captain, so that he can then pass on the message. There is a Mahinder ground in the cantonment area from where we will all collect at around 7:30 a.m. Please make note if you guys can. 7:30 a.m. on 20th of December. This is a Saturday, so you will have a Sunday also with you. It is 20th of December, and from there we will move towards Tapkeshwar temple and we will do a cleanup drive over there. And we will have Chief Minister Harish Rawat with us. He has confirmed it to us, subject to his other commitments if they make up in Delhi. This is the confirmation which we have got. But this is happening on 20th of December of this month, and we are moving towards Tapkeshwar temple and doing a cleanup drive over there. And why is this important? Because finally, after a lot of negotiations, we have got the Tapkeshwar temple authorities as well as the cantonment board to sit in a tri-party meeting. And before this meeting, we want to show them our strength, and we want to show them that a group comprising students does not mean that you will take us lightly, and that you must also include students as a key stakeholder in ensuring a permanent solution to the Tapkeshwar temple. So this is the main activity I wanted to talk about, which is on 20th of December. I will be floating a contact number. Apart from this, I would request you all to join us on Facebook, to come to our activities which happen every Sunday, like the wall paintings at Nashville, Jharkhand, Old Survey Road, railway station. And I would just want to end with two small things. Friends, for example, I told you that we have Manzar with us. Now, he is from Chhattisgarh. He is from Ambikapur. I didn't even know of the place, just like many people might not know of Dehradun in Chhattisgarh. He's studying at DIT. He has no motivation to get up with me in the morning and come to your school. But he has been doing it very regularly. He is not from this city. He has nothing to, say, emotional or by birth connect with Dehradun. But if he can feel for the city, you all who have something like this, why can't you feel for the city? When you all, some of you in class 10, 11, 12, when you'll go out of Dehradun in Delhi and Mumbai or wherever, and you will see a UK07 nameplate, you will realize the nostalgia will come rushing back and you would remember your city. So let's not stick it to nameplates, let's actually do something. And many students of your age are actually doing, at least all those above 14, they are there with MAD. So if all of this has had some impact, if I could just have a small show of hands, that how many of you might be interested to come for the Saturday event which I'm talking about on 20th of December. So if you could please raise your hands. The question is, how many of you would be interested to come for the Saturday event on 20th of December? If you could please raise your hands, not your lips please, just your hands. See, that is a very strong strength. That almost includes, if I were to give a rough estimate of close to 100 to 200 people. Okay, now you all can be silent please. I'm concluding I'm in my last 25 seconds. So, thank you. So, as I have already said, please make your hands coordinate with your legs. I will be floating a contact number. I hope it reaches all your classes. And please, all those of you who have not raised your hands, please do think about it. Please discuss it with your parents. You can come with your parents. And let's try, give it a try at least. If you get bored, if you don't like it, you can always quit it. But thank you for bearing with me. And please stay connected. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.